Hi guys, this is Naren. In this tutorial, we are going to discussing about new topic, that is ARM processor. So ARM is a advanced RISC mission compared to 805 and ARM processors are very faster. So when we are going to learn these ARM processor, we have to learn about 8051. Who are already known about 8051, they will easily understand this ARM tutorial. So 805 works on CISC architecture, but ARM works on advanced RISC mission. I told you right. This is a RISC architecture compared to CISC. RISC mission is a very faster. RISC architecture is very faster. So we have different type of series in ARM processor. So those are A, R, and M. So A processor we are using in smartphones, and R processor we are using for real time. So these are the different type of series, and we are discussing about LPC 2148. That is the basic ARM7 processor. In this we have a 64-bit and 32-bit also. So this is my brief introduction about ARM processor. In upcoming videos, I will continue to discuss programming and theory concepts of ARM processor, and I will explain block diagrams and other PWM concept, GPIO concepts. Who are interested to learn these ARM processor tutorials, please follow my YouTube channel and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please click on like and please share with your friends. And I have already discussed C language technical interview questions and 8051 questions also. I will put that links in my description. You can watch that videos in my YouTube channel. And okay friends, thank you. I will continue the more videos in upcoming discussion.